Hey guys, I'm Doc. I'm with Lambeth Asphalt Services. We're over here at Windover Business Park. So we're back at it again. We're over here milling. This parking lot was in bad shape. Had a lot of segregated areas, not so much as water areas, but just a lot of segregation in it, a lot of soft areas. What we're doing is we're milling this out and we're going to replace it with 2 inches of asphalt, and then hopefully get some stripes on this pretty soon for some parking so the customers can get in and out. Biggest challenge on this property here is just being able to get trucks in and out, businesses to be able to move back and forth and continue their progress as they're selling materials and this and that. Step 1, get it milled. Step 2, get it paved. Step 3, we're going to lay some lines on it, get people parking on it, and get businesses open and going for production. Welcome back, guys. This is day 2 of Wendover Business Park. We're out here, we're trying to do all the handwork, basically up against the buildings. This is setting the tone for water to fall, get it away from the property, get it down to the drain, so that way we make sure that there's no standing water up near the buildings causing any issue. A lot of times they mess up in the process where they're not getting the right measurement and they just wing it. What I like to do is get these parking bays done, get my measurement, get the center of it, make sure that my paver can stay on the high side even with a truck in the hopper. What we're doing now is we're just basically finishing up all the parking bays. I do have to have them open, the businesses do have to run. That's one of the biggest deals for today, was being able to get the customers in and out of their own properties. And that's what we're gonna do. We are finally at the final stage of finishing this parking lot. This was a great project that we did. We had a few challenges. We had a few water issues, a few soft areas in the subgrade. We addressed them with just a little extra asphalt, didn't cost any more money. We took care of it by grading it out, just making the asphalt a little bit thicker, which rolled in perfect. The other challenge was we had some rain moving in this afternoon. Lord willing, we got it beat and was able to get it down before it really downpoured on us. We got everything tied in nice and clean. The property owners should be very happy with what they get. We finally finished stage 1. Now this is stage 2. We're hoping to get stage 3 in the near future, and we'll complete this whole entire project. As you can see, what we got is a nice, smooth parking lot. Water's gonna flow off of it extremely nice. So if you're a commercial property owner and you're looking for some great asphalt work being done, give us a shout. LambethAsphaltServices.com or 336-932-4392.